and I still keep it with me. Under all my memories, your voice echoing through the trees. And through one favoured river, the holes in the leather, these boots still covered in tar. I still praying for the heavens and hoping for them servants, but until I get somewhere so far. This game of life plays heavy on my heart. That is tough, but brokenness is twice as hard. I carry that about everywhere I go. They say pressure makes diamonds out of hell, and I still cold. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I'm Sawfingers again with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This is a song I've come across from a gentleman called Gossett, and the song's called Coal. Okay, I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on fret 4, puts us into the same key as the original version by Gossett. Okay, so what you heard there from me playing through was the intro, a couple of verses and the chorus, and basically it just repeats more of the same with different words. Okay, so I didn't want to bore you to death with my terrible singing, so here we go then. So the introduction, nice little ditty this, it's like what I'm playing there. Right, 3 chords are basically an A minor, a G suspended, so it's a G with the first finger on the first fret of the second string, and an F. I'm playing what I call a 4-fingered F, or F with C in the bass, standard F shape, but with this third finger going up to the 3rd fret on the 5th string, sorry, goes up to the A string 3rd fret, and the pinky takes over on the 4th string 3rd fret. So just repeat that. Basic F shape, 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string 3rd fret, pinky goes to the 4th string 3rd fret from the capo. And some people would put their thumb over at this stage. I don't, I just tend to play 5 downwards and mute the bottom E string with my thumb. So 5 downwards on that, okay? Now, it's a bit tricky because there's some pull-offs and hammer-ons on this. So it starts off, I play the A string open, and then I hammer in to the A minor with the 1st finger, opens B string, 2nd string, hammers into the 1st fret. Okay, so then we go to a G sus4, and you hammer into that G sus4, open 2nd string, and it does. And at the end, it takes it off, makes the G again. So it's slowly. Then we go to this F chord with C in the bass, or a 4-fingered F. Then there's a very quick G sus4 to G after the F. Okay, so it's try and slow that right down for you. The second time it stops on the F. Okay, so here we go again, very, very slowly. tricky, but a bit of practice you'll get there, I'm sure. Okay, so it does that. That's the intro, and in between verses he plays that as well. Okay, and at the ending, well, I use it as an ending. Okay, so and then it goes into the verse, and it's when you play the verse, you can simplify it. You can just play the A minor, G, and an F. Okay, there's the only chords in it. Okay, so right from the intro, do it very, very slowly. Okay. Well, I remember what you told me. You said drinking was unholy, and Lord, can you point to this creek? And it stops at the end of that line. The second line, it stops. Okay, so the first line is, well, I remember what you told me. You said drinking was unholy, so Lord, can you point? And it repeats that again. Okay, next line is exactly the same. I still keep it with me, tucked under all the memories. And this time, the last line of the verse is just single strums. Voice within. That's the first verse. Okay, so once again, first verse. Well, I remember what you told me. You said drinking was unholy. Point me to the creek, but I still keep with me to the under the memories. Your voice echoing around those trees. And it goes the introduction again. Verse exactly the same to play as the first verse with different words, and through and flavoured with a holes in the leather, these boots still covered in tar. I'm still praying to the heavens and hoping for the sevens. This time you just keep playing, you don't stop, okay? And hope only it's so far. And then we're going into the chorus. So the last line of the second verse, you just play strumming all the way through. Okay, so let's get up to the chorus. Let's go from the beginning. Okay, so here we go. Do the intro, just the intro, and then we'll do two verses. Okay, so here we go. Let's try that again, sorry. Well, I remember what you told me. You said drinking was unholy, so Lord, can you point me to the creek? And I still keep it with me, tucked under all the memories, your voice echoing throughout the trees. Through unfavored weather, holes in the leather, these boots still covered in tar. I'm still praying to the heavens and hoping for them sevens, but hoping it gets me so far. Now we're going into the chorus, same chords, okay? This game of life plays heavy on my heart. Let us tell the loneliness is twice as hard, and I'll carry that forever everywhere I go. And take pressure takes time, how the hell am I still cold? The last line on the chorus is single strums, and that's, they say pressure makes diamonds, but how the hell am I still cold? Then you play the intro again. And then off it goes into another verse and another chorus and a verse and another chorus, okay? I think at the end he plays the chorus twice, and on the final chorus he just plays single chords. Because what is it? The second to end chorus he plays single chords. It's like, this game of life plays heavy on my heart, and love is tough, loneliness is twice as hard, and I'll carry that about everywhere I go. They say, pressure a diamond to how to make the call. And then he plays the last chorus normally, okay? This game of life plays heavy on my heart, and it's tough, but loneliness turns us out. I carry that about everywhere I go, and they say, your pressure makes times, how the hell am I still cold? And that's how the song finishes, like that, okay? So let's just go through what I did as a demo. Okay, a bit slower than it is on the record probably, okay? So here we go. Well, I remember told me that drinking was unholy, so Lord, can you point me to a creek? When I still keep it with me till I know the memories, your voice echoing throughout the trees. And true, I figured with her, the holes in the weather, these boots still covering time. I'm still praying to the heavens, I'm hoping for the seven, and hope only gets out so far. This game of life plays heavy on my heart, love is tough, loneliness is twice as hard. I carry that about everywhere I go. I just have to show makes diamonds. How the hell am I still cold? And there you have it, boys and girls. Hopefully that makes sense to you. There's just more to say. Thanks very much for watching and listening. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.